Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is a beautiful Friday night, and that can only mean one thing. We are headed to North St. Paul. I'm going to go check out an event that's been happening there for the last 29 years. So if you're into classic cars and fair food and live music on the street, this is going to be a good time. So join me as we take a little history cruise. Well, all right, we're here, and that wasn't a long drive at all. Let's go check it out. Okay, I'm not here even 30 seconds, and I already found the car I want to take home. XJ6 Coupe. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so if I remember right, the parameters of this car show is 76 and older. So I had a couple cars that would qualify. I had a 76 Capri and I had a 71 Mercedes-Benz that I actually did park here about, probably 15 years ago, if not more than that already. But I haven't been here in probably 6 years or so. So I'm excited to check it out. It's kind of nice to go back to the old stomping grounds. I also want to show you another place that I used to go to and train quite a bit. A lot of good memories there. Probably a 50. Let's see. I was right, a 50 Ford. And a Cushman scooter in the back. Well, that's kind of a bummer. Dragon's Kung Fu is closed tonight. Wanted to stop in and see them. I trained there for about 10 years and I haven't stopped by in quite a while. So I went there, my boys went there, and a lot of good memories there. Good school. So if you're interested in martial arts and Kung Fu in particular, check out Dragon's Kung Fu in North St. Paul. Great school. Thanks, Mark and Patty. Okay, so if you're gonna go overlanding or camping, this was the original overland vehicle. Look at this thing. The Safari. That is beautiful. Look at that. Look at this. Pontiac Safari. Now, if you guys are familiar with the movie The Driver with Ryan O'Neal, that Chevy stepside looks very familiar. God, it's good looking. This car show happens every Friday night here in North St. Paul. So if you missed your opportunity to check out the Back to the 50s in June, which is, I believe it's the country's biggest classic car show at the Minnesota State Fairgrounds. If you missed that chance to go to that, you could definitely stop here in North St. Paul and get a good flavor of what you would see. In fact, a lot of these cars have stickers and were there this year or have been there in the past. So If you missed him at the fairgrounds, you can see him here. Newman's is an old North St. Paul landmark. That's kind of funny. Oh, this is sweet. All right, well, whether if you like them hot rodded out or if you like them stock, you're going to find them here definitely in North St. Paul. What a great little show. Again, it runs basically from Memorial Weekend all the way through late September. So if you can't make one weekend, just come the next. What a great time. Well, there you have it, guys. That is the North St. Paul Historiy Cruze Car Show. It happens every Friday from Memorial Day through late September, I think. And it's really a good time. I was here for an hour and a half, and what a great time to take the kids. And just brings back memories of when we would do Kung Fu school, take classes, and then after we were done with classes, we'd go walk around with the kids. We had a great time, and I hope you guys did too. If you haven't subscribed yet, that would help me out. So please do that if you liked the video. Please give it a like and a share, that helps me out too. So until the next one, you guys, take it easy and go get lost on some beautiful back roads. I'll see you later.